What's up guys and good morning, welcome back to a new video. So today, another day here in Spain, we're going to Red Sand. But yeah, my team got here yesterday, so they have a little bit of packing to do because they got some stuff with them. So everyone from the KGMX team is gone home to Norway and my team has calmed down now. So it will be a couple of days where I have my own program, just riding motos and doing stuff. So not any technical training or anything like that, but yeah, getting some hours on the bike will be good. Because of my team is packing now, we have some time before going to the track, so I figured why not do the Q&A now. I promised you guys to do one, so here it is. So yeah, let's just get started. Got some questions here on my phone. I will not do every single question, but I will pick the ones I like and the one I think will be interesting for you guys. But if some of you is not interested in the Q&A, skip to this time and I'll see you after the Q&A. But let's get started. First question, what are your goals for 2018? My goals is to be the best I can, because now I feel like I'm 100% ready. I want to do good, of course, but also I don't have the big expectations because going into a new class it's always difficult. So just do my best at the weekends and progress throughout the year. At what age do you start riding? I started riding motocross when I was 6 years old. First I got a quad when I was four, and yeah, we went to some riding with the quad and everything. But when I was 6 years, we were riding at the track with the quad, and it was an open day of trying motocross. So I tried a motorcycle bike and I just loved it straight away. So that was on Saturday, and on Sunday I had a PB 50 at my home. So that's how I started riding. This one is a good one, I think. Have you got many friends? Because I think it's hard to have good friends when you're traveling every weekend. Yeah, I have some good friends, but most of them are on the motocross track, so don't see them as often because we're different places. But at home I don't have many because I'm not home, and when I'm home I like to stay at home and just do what I need to do, like work out and stuff. And so at home I don't have many, but at motocross track, yeah, I have a lot of good friends. 2-stroke or 4-stroke? Probably 4-stroke. I started riding it and I just loved it straight away. It's an amazing bike, but yeah, I really enjoyed the 2-strokes also. In general, I just love motocross. Okay, so this is a quite common question I get, how old I am. I'm 17. In 2018 I'm getting 18. It's quite easy because I'm born 2000, so yeah, in 2018 I'm getting 18 years old. Quite easy. I'm born in September, so you guys know that. Another question I get a lot is how I can drive a car when I'm 17, but I don't drive a car. My mom is sitting beside me, or my dad, yeah, learning. And so that's why I drive. I don't film that they're sitting beside me because that makes it cooler, but they are sitting beside me, I promise. So another question is, what's your worst injury you ever had? So actually I've never broken a bone, or I've broken my toe, as you guys know, but before that I've only injured my shoulder and my knee once. The knee was just a small injury, it was like 2 weeks and it got healed. But the shoulder injury was probably my worst injury because I was out for 6 months, no riding. I broke a ligament or something, I stretched it so it broke. And then my shoulder cap was destroyed, so yeah, I had to do a surgery. They said the shoulder has gone out of place backwards, the opposite side of normal. And yeah, that tore a lot of damage, so that's why I was out for so long. But it's still not quite good. I can't raise my hand higher than this, and yeah, it's some bad function, but for motocross it works, and that's what I've been training for. Just for the motocross movement it works, so that's good, and it's healed for motocross now. So who records you while you're at the track? Do you need someone to record you? Yeah, actually I need someone to record me, but usually it's my mom and dad. I think never anyone else actually. My mom and dad, my mom, she's quite shaky, so I usually just leave her with her iPhone because yeah, she's great with that one. Or actually with the Karma grip and the GoPro. She had some good angles and yeah, it was some cool shots from the last couple of vlogs, when you seen the GoPro footage from besides the track, you can recognize it with the fisheye. But for the big camera, my dad is filming because yeah, it's quite good with that one, and we have got some good footage out of it. Another question, do you earn money with the racing? I'm 17 now, and usually people go to school. Yeah, usually people don't earn money when they're 17, but yeah, I earn money. Yeah, I earn money from sponsors and stuff, but also we have more expenses than I earn, so overall I'm not earning money, if you get it. But yeah, I'm getting some income, but it's more outcome than income, if you guys get me. But hopefully in the future we can change that and make a better income than my expenses. And also it's getting easier and easier as better and better you get. It was harder 2 years ago when I was a privateer, riding to every European Championship race on my 125. We owned her ourselves and did everything on our own almost. Had some good sponsors then also, but no one to help us on the European Championship races and stuff. So now it's getting easier with my team taking the bikes, and I can fly to rounds like Portugal and Russia, so I don't have to do that. But yeah, I think that was the last question, so thank you guys for asking questions. And I will do this another time, I'm not sure when, but I will do another one another time, because I think it's great for both me and you to get some clarification and asking me some good questions. That's good, I like it when you put a little thought in your questions. And yeah, that's it for this time, so let's go to the track. Yeah, so what's in my film gear going to the track? Spare microphone, because this one runs on batteries and this one don't, so in case this dies I have a spare one. Batteries for the camera, spare SD card, lighting, here I got GoPros, and then I got the drone in the car. So let's pack everything into the bag and let's go. Hey. Think today is going to be another good day, so excited to go to the track. Hit it in the morning, make you late for your appointments, make you stay from your enjoyment, make mistakes and lose employment. The point is that I'm going in, you know it, man. There's no way I can't win, I'm showing out. Then we are on our way to the track. Got the bike ready, cleaned it yesterday, so now today looking perfect. Ready to hit the a little bit wet track, so a little bit dirty anyway straight away, but enjoy a good look at that clean bike. Palm trees, hot ceilings, palm weed, nigga I'm chillin', Hennessy still killing my feelings, VIP and she spilling, looking too sloppy. I hate when they try to start talking, I hate when I'm out and them niggas all watching, them bitches all gossip, they never back off me. So poppin' was offered, nigga too ill, need a fucking doctor, nigga too real, need a shot of the vodka. Never mind though, I forgot that I'm off that, I'm off that. Take a fall, pop back, fuck I know about a comeback, make your girl wanna come back, yeah, say ETS amazing, and these bitches say the same things, fucking nigga hatin', said I don't got no patience, fuck is a diamond with diamond, I know you're just shining, I know you can't hide it, you can't hide it, when you're beside me, you know where to find me, you know where to find it, you'll be just shining, I'm shining, like fuck is a diamond with diamond, I know you here shining, you just can't hide it, you can't hide it, can't hide it, ay, can I hit it in the morning, make you late for your appointments, make you stay for your employment, make mistakes and lose it, ay, girl you got so many choices, you got so many choices, the boy is number one on the fucking list, all shit cause you know you get it in, and can I hit it in the evening, give you something to believe in, give you something you believe in. Then we are finished at the track. Was not a good day, struggled a lot and the track was really difficult, but good training anyway. Heading back to the hotel now. Plan is to do some cycling, I think. I'm not sure what my plan is, but yeah, plan for today. Second session is 60 minutes cycling, so let's head back to the hotel and do that. Got some taco baguette here. Will be good. Really nice. Small change of plans. We'll do some running instead. I'm not sure how long, but about 40 minutes, I mean. Yeah, because my bike is at service at a dealer here in Benicassim, and yeah, they open in 1 hour and then it's getting too late to bike. So let's go to the hotel and get changed and go for some running.
Something, girl, you been fiending. Hey, I say, what's the dime to a diamond? I know you see me shining. I know you can't hide it. Wanna be wildin', and you can't keep a secret. That's your only weakness. You couldn't resist it. You don't need a fuck.
Good run, good session. Yeah, 45 minutes running was a good session. I forgot to stop the watch, so it's 53, but about 45 I think. 6.4 kilometers, so good recovery run. Plan now is to get in the shower, eat some good dinner, and yeah, just relax and get ready for tomorrow. So see you guys then. Oh shit, delivery. Good morning guys, so just about to head to the track. Let me show off my new jacket, looking awesome. New team jacket, FXR, as you can see there. It's actually really nice, warm and good, and it's good for the chilly morning here in Spain today because it's a little bit cold. So good to have when I'm heading to the tracks. But yeah, let's go now and go to the track. So today we got the blue sky and the sun is out. It's a little bit chilly, but I think it will be a good day of riding. Go. Good girl. Good girl. Beautiful and good girl. Yesterday it wasn't a lot of filming because I was doing small motos, and yeah, the filmer was by the watch clocking me. So today I've got one of the mechanics doing the stopwatch, and then yeah, the filmer can film, so we'll be good. So just picked up my bike from the bike shop now, so the bike was looking great, and let's just head to the track now. Ready for a good day?
Yeah. Lock 53.
52.
52. The mechanics are already working like shit.
Yeah.
Oh.
So day at the track done. Was a pretty good day. The track was not prepared anything from yesterday because the GP riders are testing Tixier and stuff, so they are testing suspension, so the track is really rough. But yeah, the track was the same as yesterday, but I was riding much better today. I felt much better, and yeah, I was riding pretty good actually, but I was riding 2 times 30 plus 2 minutes and didn't get too tired, had some good lines so I could relax, and overall a good day of training. So heading back to the hotel now. So yeah, let's talk to you guys again there. So we are back in the hotel now. Was a good day riding, but I'm heading to the gym now. Do some strength exercises, and then tomorrow it's a recovery day, and then 2 days more of riding. So I think that's it for this video, guys. So until the next vlog, full gas. See you guys soon. Bye.